Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. It's Chelsea here, and I'm about to take out these braids. Now, I've had them in for about 2 months now, and I'm going to start taking them off by snipping off the ends of the first one. And I'm going to start unraveling this braid from the bottom all the way to the top. If you guys watched Abana's previous video, she talked about unraveling the first by hand, so that you can check your length and compare it using other braids to avoid cutting your own hair. I don't know how I'm this late on this bandwagon. I used to just eyeball it and check them out myself, but this is much simpler and faster and safer. So I'm just going to measure my hair strand against the second braid and cut the second braid right where my hair ends. And after doing that, I'm going to unravel the braid and do so for the rest of my hair. Make sure that you completely detangle the hair at the root of your braid so that it's easier for you to detangle later on. So I've completely unraveled my hair now, and I am loving this length. I'm loving feeling my hair. I haven't felt it since January, so it feels really good, but it's kind of dirty, so we're gonna get scrubbing. Now I've wet my hair and I'm rubbing in a sulfate shampoo straight into my roots. I'm doing this to target all of the buildup so that it breaks down, and after this I'm going to use a hydrating shampoo in my roots as well. Now I'm gonna make my DIY hair mask. I always start with honey, and then I use whatever oil I have around the house, which in this place is olive oil. I follow that up with a conditioner, and I typically use a hair mask, but in this case I don't have one around, so I'm going to use a leave-in conditioner. Now I'll start with honey. Honey is great because it has some humectant properties, which means that it moisturizes each hair follicle and it locks all of that moisture in. I'm going to add some conditioner into this because there's always an excuse for a good conditioner, and it's just going to add a lot more of moisturization into this mask. I typically use a hair mask that I've bought from the store in place of a leave-in conditioner to give the mask some body, but in this case I'm just going to use my leave-in. I'm also going to use some olive oil. Olive oil is great for scalp moisturization and it reduces irritation. So this is good if you have any dandruff.
Ryan Little.
After all the mixing, you're going to end up with a mixture that looks a little bit like this. I'm happy with the consistency and the amount, but I think I'm going to add a little bit more honey because I love honey and I can never get enough. Now I'm going to put the mixture all over my hair. I do this by using my hands and starting in the front section of my head. I'll do my edges first because I want them to be completely soaked up. So I'll rub it straight into my hairline and then start making partitions in my hair and cover those partitions with product entirely. I'll start in the front bit of my hair going to the middle, and I'll completely soak up that spot before going to the back. As you guys may have noticed in this video, I had a tapered cut in the summer of last year. So as much as it may be grown out a bit, the front section of my hair is considerably longer than the sides and the back section of my hair. So less product has to go in the back, and I focus mainly in the front. Here I'm giving you guys a good look at the back and how drenched you want it to be. Get your fingers in there, give yourself a scalp massage. Scalp massages are very, very important to stimulate hair growth, and then also just to make sure that you're getting the product in every single nook and cranny of your head. After you're happy with that, you can use the excess product on your eyebrows. If you're anything like me, I'm struggling for eyebrows, so I'll take all the help I can get. I just rub it in total end, and I wrap my hair in a plastic bag and cover it with a scarf when I'm gonna run errands. And that's it.